Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about sublet work. If you perform services for other facilities that aren't the vehicle owners, you want to mark them out as sublet shops in your customer list. This will enable you to provide services to them and not have your services show up on the car profile for that customer should they have one. In order to do this, navigate to Customers, View All Customers, select the customer that you want to mark as a sublet, and press Action Edit. When you're in the Edit Customer Details page, scroll to the bottom and you'll see a sublet work checkbox. If you check this box off, CAR will never take ownership of that vehicle for this client. So all of the invoices are only between you and that shop. It is not shared with the owner of that vehicle in any way. Thank you for watching and have a great day.